Hi students, welcome to SPRedutech. Today we're gonna see about environment and ecology related news, a NILGIRI Biosphere Reserve which is in news. Let us know why it is in news and why it is prominent and what are all the contents that is related to your UPSC preparations. Recently, a paper has been published by the conservationist and said that Asian elephant has lost most of its optimal habitat in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Most of its habitat has been lost. So let us see why it is in the news. Recently, there is a study to be conducted on the human settlements and crop cultivations have been hindered the movement of elephants and keeping them confined to the hilly areas and also suboptimal habitats. Let us understand the IUCN status of an elephant, that is our Asian elephants. This is endangered list. So what is actually endangered? So here endangered. So we know when it is a threatened, it will be in an endangered list, which means we have a several classifications in our so-called IUCN. In that we have so least concern, threatened, and also vulnerable, endangered, and critically vulnerable, endangered, critically endangered. This is the sequence. It will be there in that list. It is accounted as an endangered. So here if you are not providing any care, it may go into the critically endangered species. And also under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, it is in the Schedule 1 of the 1972 Wildlife Protection Act, WPA Act. What is Schedule 1? Schedule 1 means here highest level of protection is given to the Schedule 1 listed animals in India. So let us know a key facts about Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So here it is a tropical evergreen forest and also a mountain, a sholas, and also grasslands, and also semi-evergreen forest, and also moist deciduous, dry deciduous, and thorn forest. Sir, what is this? This many varieties of forest present in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve? Yes, guys. So when you are considering India, if you read the climatology, you will come to idea. So here in India, this part Western Ghats, close to the western side we have evergreen forest, and also when you keep move on to the east you have mountain, grassland, semi-evergreen, moist desert. It will be varying when keep on moving to the east side. So let us see here. So here this covers the major area, and also core area will be spreading over Kerala and Tamil Nadu states. And also if you see the range of this ecosystem occurs in the hilly terrains and also meadows extending from 300 to the 2670 meters of the height, and also it has an excellent habitat of flora, fauna, and also other microbial forms. And also the varied habitats of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve house to a sizable amount of species of animals, plants, and also includes a large number of endemic species present over this region. And also if you come to the fauna of this region, animals like Nilgiri Tar, which is an endangered, critically endangered species, Nilgiri Langur, slender loris, a black buck, a tiger, gaur, Indian elephant, and also marten are found here. When you come to the tribal population that are living in this zone, primarily we can find Todas, Akotas, Irulas, Kurumbas, Panniyas, Adiyans, Yenandans, Chettis, Chola Naikans, Allars, Malayans. These are all the native people living in this zone. And also protected area within the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves are important wildlife sanctuaries like Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, Bandipur National Park, Nagarholi National Park, Mukurthi National Park, and Silent Valley comes under this. These are all the important updates of about Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve which is in news and the content which is important for your UPSC preparations. For more updates, stay tuned and also subscribe to our channel. This is me, SPR, signing off. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take care.